This is Lesson 5. Subtract fractions with unlike units using the strategy of creating equivalent fractions. Just as we did with addition, we're going to use rectangular fraction models to show subtraction of fractions. We have 1/2 minus 1/3. Our first rectangle, we divided into 2 equal parts, shaded 1/2. Our second rectangle, we divided into 3 equal parts and shaded one of those. For subtraction, we're only going to use one of the models though, and we'll use the one where we had 1/2. We're going to take away 1/3. So we're going to get our common unit of 6. 1/2 is the same as 3/6. We divided our thirds rectangle into halves, showing that 1/3 is the same as 2/6. So our problem becomes 3/6 take away 2/6. We can show this in our rectangular fraction model by taking away 1, 2 of the 6. If we have 3/6 and we take away 2/6, we have 1/6. So 1/2 minus 1/3 equals 1/6. In this problem we have 1/3, take away 1/4. Our fraction model shows that we had 3 equal parts, one is shaded. Our other rectangular model has 4 equal parts, one is shaded. In order to subtract, we have to have a common unit. So we will divide our thirds rectangle into fourths, and we will divide our fourths rectangle into thirds to create our new unit of twelfths. 1/3 is the same as 4/12, and 1/4 is the same as 3/12. We are subtracting, so we need to show 4/12 take away 3/12. We take away 1, 2, 3 of those 12ths, and that leaves us with only 1/12. So 4/12 take away 3/12 equals 1/12. 1/3 minus 1/4 is 1/12. Here we're starting with 1/2 and subtracting 1/5. First we'll get our common units. Our common unit will be 10. So 1/2 equals 5/10. 1/5 equals 1/2. We're taking 5/10. Take away 2/10. I'm going to take away 1, 2 of the tenths. We have 3 left. 5/10 take away 2/10 is 3/10. 1/2 take away 1/5 equals 3/10. All the problems we've done so far had a numerator of 1. Fractions with a numerator of 1 are called unit fractions and are generally easier to manipulate. In this problem, we're going to do 2/3 take away 1/4, so we do not have a unit fraction. Just as with our unit fractions, we're going to use the rectangular fraction models. We've got our 2/3 and our 1/4. We're going to divide our thirds into fourths so that we get our common unit of 12ths. 2/3 equals 2, 4, 6, 8/12. We're dividing our fourths into thirds, and 1/4 equals 3/12. We have 8/12, take away 3/12. We're going to take away 3/12. 1, 2, 3. After we do that, we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/12 left. 8/12 take away 3/12 equals 5/12. 2/3 take away 1/4 equals 5/12. In this problem, 1/2 take away 2/7. Our first number is a unit fraction, but our second number is not a unit fraction. We need to get a common unit, and in order to do that, we'll divide our halves into sevenths. It takes 6 lines to do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we need to divide our sevenths into halves. We can see that 1/2 is the same as 7/14, and 2/7 is the same as 4/14. We have 7/14, take away 4/14. We'll take away 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3/14 left. 7/14 take away 4/14 is 3/14. 1/2 take away 2/7 is 3/14. In this last problem, we are subtracting two non-unit fractions. We have 4/5, divided our rectangle into 5 equal parts, shaded 4 of them. We're going to take away 2/3, 3 equal parts, we shaded 2 of them. To get a common unit, we're going to divide our 5ths rectangle into thirds and our thirds rectangle into 5ths. When we do that, we see that 4/5 is the same as 4, 8, 12/15, and that 2/3 is the same as 5, 10/15. If I have 12/15 and I subtract 10 of them, we're going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2/15 left. 4/5 minus 2/3 equals 2/15.